Hey, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Darrell.
And this is Taste Off,
The show where you challenge us to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes.
We go to the restaurant, we try it, and then we come back here and recreate it in 30 minutes.
And then the challenger comes on and tells us who did a better job.
It's definitely me.
It'll always be me.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
What's going on, Darrell?
Oh, what up?
Here we have a new challenge from our boy Amir.
I'm just excited to try this bomb-ass food out here. All right, so let's watch this video.
Hi guys, it's Amir, and my favorite food is the chuleta and chili verde tacos and conchinita pibil from Guisados. I challenge both of you guys to recreate it.
Ooh.
All right, tacos in the home of the bomb-ass tacos.
Okay, that's a huge statement, right? And I've actually heard of Guisados and their cochinita pibil, chuletas and chile verde. That sounds fire!
Yeah.
It's pork tacos, bro. Pork tacos. All right, let's go.
All right,
Taco dance, taco dance, taco time. This place smells so good.
Apparently these are like the best pork tacos in America.
I am so excited. I'm a taco aficionado.
I'm a fiend.
Ooh,
Yes.
qué rico huele.
Let's
Smells
do
so
it.
good here. How are you today? We're on a mission. We hear that your cochinita pibil taco is out of this world, and also the chuleta and chile verde. So we're gonna have to get 2 of each. While you do that, I'm gonna talk to the cooks back
Do it.
here.
Might give you no secrets.
¿Cuáles son unos tips que me puede dar para cocinarlo? Okay, gracias.
Yeah, I know what he said. My lady's Dominican.
I got this. So let's try these are the chuletas and chile verde. Yep.
There's so much flavor in it. But then you got the black bean at the bottom, which I didn't even notice.
I know.
I've already got what I think is in my head.
Up next is the cochinito pibil. This looks good. Pickled onions on top.
That's good.
We also ordered this with a little habanero on the side, so.
Yeah, I think we gotta try it. It's like spicy,
So
but delicious.
Stewed pork in achiote. A couple other spices in there that I'll keep to myself.
Here's my strategy, all right? Let the experts do what they do, and then I do what I do. My gift is winning.
All right, let's get into it. I'm tired of this talking. Let's go straight into the kitchen and let's make these tacos.
Good luck.
Bam. So the name of the game, Cochinita Pibil, is low and slow. So we're gonna use 10 minutes out of our 30 minutes to prep our Cochinita Pibil.
And then come back and use the extra 20 to finish up the dish.
Everything else. Ready?
Hit the clock, maestro.
Okay. You ever made this?
I've never made this in my life.
If I marinate, make sure I have everything. The achiote paste not only adds color, but also flavor. It's really, really beautiful.
Really? Damn.
Wow, that's
That is
fast.
That was smart.
Are you copying me right now?
Well, yeah.
All right,
There we go.
8 minutes. All right.
How do you use this paste though? That's the part where I'm trying to figure out. All right. All right, so we got the lime.
There we go. Woo! I'm a professional. I've done this before.
Going. 5. All right.
She's a beauty.
It's gonna smell. I might add a little sugar to this. All right.
4 minutes. You're awfully quiet there, bro.
Yo, I'm in my zone, B. That dog is being unleashed.
1 minute.
I'm gonna just let you sit over here.
30 seconds.
I love this. You got a little high.
Just sitting here.
And we just gonna let you braise, baby. Done.
All right, so our cochinita is going low and slow.
That 10 minutes went fast, but we got another 20 minutes later to finish this up.
And there's like a lot of components of this one. So, got our work cut out. Oh my God.
We'll see you later.
All right. Oh.
Time to beat you at your old game now.
There's so much to do.
Let's start the clock. 20 minutes. Let's do it. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Thanks.
Woo!
Did you take all the tomatillo? Who are you, you savage?
That's to be you. Pickle, 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 pickle.
There we go. Bye.
My God,
You know
there's
what?
so much to do. Like,
Yeah, this is
I
a lot.
can't even like comprehend.
It is.
Should kind of be worried, bro.
I'm not worried about you. You realize who you in the ring with?
I don't think you realize, but move.
Oh, what is this? Kimmy? Sorry.
Oh my lord. 15.
There you
Standing off.
go. You nervous?
I'm not nervous.
You scared? 10
minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. There's so much going on right now, and so much has to happen in a few
this
short
is
minutes.
Crazy.
Girl, you did your thing on that sauce. Oh,
That's good.
you're wildin'.
Okay.
Toast your tortillas. Okay.
Which taco had the damn beans on it?
Clearly you weren't paying attention.
You were.
I was paying attention, trying to win. Okay, let's begin plating. Go in like that. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Okay, know this, have this. 1 minute. That does not look like what we had.
Hey.
You are out your mind if you think that's what we had. 30 seconds. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay.
Look at your pork.
It's saucy.
Let's do this.
So
Where you at?
oh my gosh. Amir, you have a really, really tough job ahead of you, bro.
Very subjective, so Amir, I hope you make the right decision.
Let's see what happens. Oh my God, these both look delicious for one thing. If you look at the presentation, both of them are set up almost perfectly, just like the restaurant. I'm gonna give this a 5 and this is a 4, and this is out of a 5 scale. All right, so I'm gonna try this Guisados taco first. I don't know who made that, but spot on. All right, round 2, I'm gonna go for this one now. So good, but a little bit too saucy for me. A tiny bit too saucy. So it's pretty much a tie right now, honestly. I was right. I think the meat is a little bit too thick. All right, time to use the lime. Here we go. Good luck. This one wins with taste and flavor, but it's way too saucy. In terms of flavor, I give it a tie. So this wins based off of the initial judging with presentation.
Very good game. She won.
Oh no!
Hey.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Mir.
This competition is over.
It is.
We appreciate you.
That was.
Remember, if you at home have a restaurant that you want us to try, make sure you hashtag #TasteOff.
Let us know, and we will definitely, might be, just quite checking it out and cooking it right here. And then just Team Zoe could get another win, because that's what we do here. Hashtag Team Zoe. Oh, damn it.
Good game.